Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the much awaited July gift set box to unbox and review in this video. It's a lifestyle subscription box priced at ₹14.99. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me, and as you can see it's a huge package. It has the Guess What logo on it. So as you can see, the box is very nicely bubble wrapped. Okay, so finally the box is out. The packaging was really good, and here we have a beautiful golden box with this ribbon, and there's a keyring here like always. It's a very cute girl here. I always like these cute keychains they send, and of course the boxes are one of the best boxes for storage or for gifting. Once I open, this is all that I see. Let's open this. Here are all the products. I can see some jewelry, an umbrella, hide and seek biscuits. So let's just dig into all the products. So the first lifestyle product, and in my opinion one of the star products this month, is a cold shoulder top. This is not color customized, but you will be able to choose the size of this product even before placing your order. So this is how it looks. It has a 3/4 hand and it has a very flowy material, a chiffon kind of material, and it has a collar neck like this. I really like the color. It's a bottle green color which really looks pretty on all skin tones. So I'm definitely happy with this. I have chosen the size L. It says Vero Moda here. So I'm not sure if it is actually a branded one, but it does look very pretty. And I'm definitely gonna wear this. So the first item is a clothing item, and a clothing item is always welcome in subscription boxes from my side, because these are some of the things that we usually buy the most. So after that we have a bag here. So the bag came like this, but when you close this zip, this is actually a triangular potli kind of bag, which is very unique, and I really like it. It has a tassel on one side and this pattern on other, and there's a chain. It has this handle. The quality is very good, and I really like the uniqueness in this. So definitely very happy with this one. And that's not enough. We have another wallet here. So this is again in black color, and this is very classy, guys. I really like it. This is definitely something that I'm gonna use. So it's very simple. It opens like this. It has 2 compartments, and here are some slots for your cards. Very simple and a perfect money wallet. You can keep your money and cards here and keep this inside your handbag. Or if you want, if you're just going out somewhere nearby, you just want to carry some cash, you can carry this with you. Very simple, very elegant, and I really like it. I like it more than this triangle bag, to be honest, because this is something that I will actually use on daily basis. Next I have a very cute umbrella in a green color. It's very girly. I'll try to insert a picture while opening the umbrella. This is no doubt a very thoughtful inclusion during the monsoon seasons. This is gonna be very useful, so I'm very happy with this product. And it's girly, so it's a bonus for me. Then we have a sunglass in this pouch. It comes with this cleaning cloth as well, which is in itself very cute. And these are reflector sunglasses, so you do see like bluish tint on them. These are circular, so yeah, I do like them. They're very stylish and trendy kind of sunglasses. Then moving to the makeup section, the star product here is by Avon, Simply Pretty, and this has a shade choice. Again, I chose the almond variant. Price is $2.39, and you'll get the shade option in your mail, so you can make the choice online. I really like the packaging of this. It's so pretty and really very girly packaging. The mirror has come out. I think the glue has come off, but it's fine. I can just stick it on, and this is how the shade almond looks like. This is the powder puff we have got. This is not the shade. This is the shade almond. So I feel this is gonna be the right shade for my face, I believe. This was the most dark shade they had, so that's why I went for this. Then moving on to the jewelry section. Oh wow, I really like them. I have these beautiful tassel earrings. I really like this color. The color will be random, but I'm really happy with this navy blue, dark navy blue color I've got. I do have many outfits in this color, and this is a good quality one. I have seen similar pattern earrings which are not this good quality. This is a better quality than that one, not the best but a really good quality. So yeah, I did like it. I'll definitely wear it. Then we have a bracelet inside this. So this is how it looks. It is silver in color with some black beads on it. A very statementy piece. So if you're wearing this, you don't have to wear anything else. I don't usually wear such big chunky pieces. But if I'm going to a party or if I'm wearing ethnic, I'll definitely wear this with them. And finally, there is a sweet treat, hide and seek in the variant Cafe Mocha. I've had this and I really like it, so definitely happy to receive this. I always like getting bigger packs of eatables like this, which I have been getting in Guess What box from some time, because they're really filling rather than getting a few chocolates or like small somethings. These are like big huge packs, so I do like receiving them. I'm very happy with this. So that was all in my July Guess What box. Definitely a very good addition. I really like this wallet. The umbrella is a really essential product. Getting a clothing item in your size is definitely good. I like the pattern. This Avon product is again from a good brand. I liked it. Jewelry was also good. So overall, I'm very happy with the box. It is definitely value for money for me. I will be using a lot of products out of this. So I'm quite happy. If any of you guys are interested in getting this box, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. You will also find the links to the giveaways running on my channel. So if you haven't already, then please do check them out and participate. There are very few days left. So definitely put your best efforts to win the amazing gift hampers. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.